In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Shein using GCash. It's a simple and convenient process, so let's get started. First things first, open your preferred desktop browser and navigate to the Shein website. Simply type in the website address in the search bar, hit enter, and allow the page to load. Once you're on the home page, you'll find yourself amidst a vast selection of fashion items. Don't get lost in the variety just yet. Our focus lies in purchasing with GCash today. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll easily spot the cart icon. Click on it to visit your shopping cart. This is where all the items you've decided to purchase are stored. Here you can review your selected items, ensuring that everything you wish to purchase is accurately listed. If everything looks good, it's time to proceed with checkout. With a confirmed decision on your shopping cart contents, move forward by clicking the Checkout button. This step will lead you to a new page where you're prompted to enter your shipping details. Fill out the necessary fields accurately to avoid any delays or issues with delivery. Next comes a crucial step, selecting your payment method. On the payment page, you'll see several payment options listed. These typically include cash on delivery, PayPal, credit or debit cards, and GrabPay, as well as GCash, our method of choice today. Each choice caters to different preferences, but today we're focusing on using GCash. Now, once you spot the GCash option among the payment methods, go ahead and select it. This selection informs Shein that you wish to pay using your GCash account, and it will guide you through the rest of the payment process. After selecting GCash, you'll be redirected to a secure GCash payment page. Here, you'll need to log into your GCash account, enter your registered mobile number along with your MPIN for verification purposes. Once verified, continue as prompted to complete the payment transaction. And just like that, you've successfully made your purchase on Shein using GCash. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to double check all details before finalizing any transaction to ensure smooth sailing. This process not only takes the hassle out of online shopping, but also emphasizes the convenience of using digital wallets like GCash for transactions. Remember, staying on top of tech trends and using available resources like GCash makes your online shopping experience far more convenient and efficient. Happy shopping on Shein with GCash.